Welcome back, scholars. I hope you were able to find this out or work it out. If not, don't worry about it. I know it's a tough one. Let's work it together. Now, the first thing that I do is I'm going to go ahead and read it out here. Some girls in a Girl Scout troop are pairing up with some boys in the Boy Scout troop to practice square dancing. 2/3 of the girls are paired up with 3/5 of the boys. What fraction of the scouts are square dancing? Well, it's telling you here that the problem says that 2 girl units are equal to 3 boy units. All right. So what do we need to do? Or we need to equal an equal number of boys and girls since they are paired up for dancing. How can we make these units match? I'm going to pause the video because I want to go over here to my flex cam and catch up with you guys on this here so that we can work this out. Now, we already did our rubies. I read the problem, but I have not underlined or circled what I thought was important, and that's 2/3 of the girls and 3/5 of the boys are paired together. So what do I barf up? I know that 2/3 is a fraction, and I know that 3/5 is a fraction. I also know that 2 girl units equal, I should put units, equal 3 boy units. But they're supposed to be paired up, so I know they can't make it. So how are we going to make sure that they can be paired up? What do we need to do? I'm going to pause the video. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yes. Somebody out here said that we got to get these equivalent. And we do that by getting the least common multiple. And I know you're saying, Mr. Garrow, how can we do that? Well, it is a fraction. However, we're looking for the equal amount of units of boys and girls. So the only way to do that is to get the least common multiple of the numerator. Why? Because the numerator shows 2/3 girls and 3/5 boys. So we got to make sure the 2 and the 3 are equal. And the only way that we do that is to find the least common numerator. But we're doing it for the unit up here of girls. So what is the least common multiple for 2 and 3? Excellent. Yes. We multiply the top number of 2/3 by 3 to get 6. That's the common multiple. And we multiply 3/5 times 2 over 2, which gives us 6. Multiply the bottom down here, gives us 9. This gives us 10. So now we have the fractions 6/9 and 6/10. And guys, you know me. I like tape models or strip models, and I like to be visual. So this is what I did while you guys were working on it. I went ahead and made this out so I could see it a little bit better. See, right now I have 2 girls and 3 boys, but I got to make them equal. And the only way I can make them equal is to get the least common multiple of the numerator. And what I did is I got 2/3 right here. That's 2/3. And this right here is 3/5. Okay. And let's see if we can get that, because I'm saying 6/9 is going to give me six girls are going to give me 6 boys. Let's find out. I have the girls here. 1 paired with 1 boy. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Do these two equal? Yes, they do. Wow. All right. So the next thing we're looking at here, so we underlined, we barfed up, we identified some stuff. We identified what we need to answer right here. And what they're asking us to do is, what fraction of the scouts are square dancing? Well, the good thing is that we already have fractions right up here. We have 6/9 and 6/10. Now, you really can't add those up because they don't have the least common multiple. But for this problem, we have to do that. So what we do is we just say, okay, what are the two numerators equal to? We take 6 plus 6. That gives me 12. And how many units did I have here? I think I heard it out there. Way to go. Yes. 9 for the girls and 10 for the boys. So we're going to make this into a fraction. 9 plus 10. So it's going to be 12 over 19. That is going to be your answer. I know this was difficult. Now it's your turn to work by yourself. You're going to be working by yourself and answering the next problem. Oh, let me go ahead and finish this, showing you exactly how I worked it out over here on paper. Here it's on the slide. With a little bit of more explanation. There you go. So now we're going to be working the next problem. And the next problem happens to be working with Sandra's measuring cups. Y'all have 8 minutes, but you're going to be working as an individual. So take 8 minutes, use it wisely. I'll see you in the next video.